Meaning of ley line.
Ley line.
Ley line.
Ley line.
Ley line. Ley lines refer to hypothetical alignments of ancient sites, such as monuments and megaliths, that are believed to have spiritual or mystical significance. Some proponents of the concept believe that ley lines have special energy or power, and that they can be detected and utilized by certain individuals or groups. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of ley lines or their supposed properties, and many mainstream archaeologists and geologists dismiss the concept as pseudoscientific or New Age mythology.